Skin turgor assessment finding. Capillary refill normal time. Normal lung sounds. Abnormal breath sound in asthma. Sign of dehydration. Normal heart rate, adult. Indication of cyanosis. Best pulse site and shock. Normal bowel sounds. Sign of bowel obstruction. Normal blood pressure. Indication of shock. First step in wound care. Indicator of infection. Expected urine output per hour. Normal pupil reaction. First action in seizure. Ear assessment tool. Best method to assess pain. Common fever symptom. Sign of hypoxia. Normal respiratory rate, adult. Indicator of poor circulation. Nursing action for chest pain. Common cause of tachycardia. Early sign of infection. Location of apical pulse. Common symptom of pneumonia. Abnormal neurological finding. Sign of fluid overload. Common sign of anemia. Expected finding in COPD. Nursing action for hypoglycemia. Common sign of stroke. Indication of deep vein thrombosis. Best position for dyspnea. Sign of dehydration in infants. Normal oxygen saturation. First step in fall assessment. Indicator of fluid deficit. Expected finding in elderly skin. Priority in respiratory distress. Normal bowel movement frequency. Early sign of shock. Abnormal urine color. Sign of dehydration in older adults. Abnormal capillary refill. First step in blood transfusion reaction. Common finding in hypertension. Indicator of UTI. Normal breath sounds. First sign of hyperkalemia. Expected finding in Parkinson's. Sign of diabetic ketoacidosis. Nursing action for bradycardia. Common cause of tachypnea. Keep it up, future nurse.